In March of this year, 2024, I quit my software engineering job to go solo as an indie developer building consumer mobile apps. So far, I've built 2 apps, a recipe app and an education tool. I also have another app just around the corner, almost ready to ship, that I'll talk about later in this video. Currently, my apps have made a grand total of $81. Yeah, I have a long way to go, but I'm learning a ton about building products from the design to development and marketing, and I think I'm getting better with every app. So I decided I'm gonna document my journey here on YouTube, and this is actually my first YouTube video.
Wow!
I'm gonna document the good, the bad, and the ugly, not just the successful apps, the successful launches, and the revenue spikes, but the failures, the losses, and most importantly, the learning that happens along the way. I don't know right now if this experiment will succeed or fail, but if you're interested in following an indie maker, solopreneur on his journey, laying it all on the line, then give me a like, give me a subscribe. You can become one of my first subscribers, which would mean a lot to me. For the rest of this video, I'm going to talk about my latest project, why I'm building it, how I'm building it, and how I'm shipping as fast as possible. My latest app is Quotable. Quotable allows users to create beautiful designs around their favorite quotes. They create a personal gallery of their designs. They can use these designs as iPhone widgets to make their home screen look beautiful, and they can share these creations on socials or create wallpapers for their phone. I'm creating this app to submit to the RevenueCat Shipathon. The Shipathon is a hackathon where you submit mobile apps to compete for prizes. $5,000 cash for the winners, as well as spots on over 150 billboards in San Francisco. When I started this challenge, I had just under 6 weeks to come up with an idea, build it, ship it, maybe market it a little bit before the submission date. So speed is key, and this is how I went about choosing my idea and then how I'm currently building it. First, I started by listing out all my current app ideas. Usually I have a few in notes in Notion at any one time, and I ranked them based on some simple criteria. That is feasibility, can I build this within the time frame and ship it well before the deadline? Commercial viability, this is, are people searching for this type of app? Are people downloading similar apps on the App Store, and are they paying for those apps? And then fun, I wanted to have fun in this project. So did this idea have interesting UI or a technology that I'd not used before or that I enjoyed using? After doing this ranking, Quotable came out top, and that's why I'm building this app. I like to pull together a simple brand guideline for my apps when I start them. This is nothing complicated, it's just fonts, colors, logo, an app icon, and some messaging, and it just gives me direction. So when I'm designing, building, marketing, I have a direction and I just need to follow it. When it comes to design and development, I like to jump between the two. Starting with design, I'll create the most business critical feature first, and then I'll go and develop that. Then I'll come back and I'll create the next design and develop that. I like this approach because it means I don't spend days and days and days designing 50 app screens, get carried away, making things all pretty, and then come to development and have not much time left for this challenge. Another important part of my approach to design and development is reuse. Both in design, I will reuse the layouts of screens that I've created for other apps and just apply the new branding. For example, a settings screen, onboarding, a welcome screen, a paywall. And I do the same in development. I reuse code from past projects, application logic or UI elements, extensions, things like this. By the time I upload this video, I will have shipped a beta testing version to TestFlight. So if you have an iPhone and you want to help me test Quotable, you can tap the link in the description below for TestFlight, and you'll be able to download it and send me feedback. That's all for this one. Thank you so much for watching my first ever YouTube video. If you liked it, please like, drop a comment, let me know you're here, subscribe to see how I get on in this indie dev journey. If you're entering the Shipathon, good luck. I'll check out your app when it comes out. Maybe I should do a video of reviewing Shipperton apps when it's finished. Let me know if you want to see that. Okay, bye.